This is an early to mid 19th century English round occasional table made of mahogany, around about 1835, 1840 in date. And it dismantles. And the question with this type of table is always, was it made to dismantle, or is that purely constructional? So to take it apart, we simply unscrew the different sections, which are made up of a round top, the column, a little collar to finish how a column meets the stand and the stand. And the way they're joined together is simply on threads to the wood. So we can see that. So the top is off. The base is off. We can see that we have got a screw thread to each end. To the bottom it's slightly longer, got more depth to go through. To the top, slightly shorter. And you've got your column and you've got your base. Now, the argument could be that this is constructional, in that simply it was the most practical, simplest way to join the different parts of this table to one another, a screw thread. Well, that might be the case. If you argued that, you could well be right. But we would expect, if that was the case, that there should be some evidence of glue having fixed it in place, because obviously if you're making a table you don't want it to dismantle. To drop in some glue on the thread is going to make the joint really quite strong, and you wouldn't expect it to come apart. Now this table, as you saw, came apart relatively easily. That says to me that it's been dismantled and set up a number of times. It's not stiff, it's not tight, the wood hasn't moved tighter against its threaded hole. It hasn't married in there to make it much harder to remove. It comes apart relatively easily. And this is a method that we've seen on a number of these tables, and each time we do get one, we assess it and we try and work out, is this constructional or is it made to come apart? I would say on this one, it's been made to come apart for the reasons I've already given. But if we move away from that, it is actually a very useful little side table. It's a great size. You can use it as a lamp table. You could use it to put a glass of wine on, gin and tonic, cup of tea, etc., etc. It's got a little bit of discoloration to the top through wear, through use, kind of what you'd expect. But it's a good, standard, useful little side table that's got the added benefit of being made to come apart. English, around about 1835, made mahogany, and it's on our website.